In Crimea, thousands of Tatars have marked the 70th anniversary of their mass deportation by the Soviet leader Josef Stalin. The Muslim Tatars, who are strongly opposed to Moscow's annexation of Crimea from Ukraine, defied a ban on mass gatherings by the new Russian-backed rulers. As Russian military helicopters circled overhead, the crowd chanted "People, Homeland, Crimea" and heard speeches calling for greater autonomy for Tatars, who make up 12% of the region's population. In Ukraine's capital, Kyiv, hundreds of Tatars also gathered to commemorate the anniversary. They express a deep mistrust of the Russian authorities, associating Moscow's rule with oppression, exile and suffering. And this woman complained of recent harassment in Crimea. She said, "My Tatar relatives there have been humiliated. In the markets, they don't want to sell them anything. The locals have become very aggressive. Responding to Putin's authority, they're rude to the Tatars, saying things like, 'You deserve to die. There's no place for you in Crimea.'" Our reporter in Kyiv says recent events have reawakened memories of what happened in 1944. When Russia invaded Crimea, about 8,000 people fled to mainland Ukraine. Most of them were Crimean Tatars. They've settled in Kyiv and western regions, but all of them hope this relocation is only temporary and that in the future they, as their grandparents who were deported from Crimea in 1944, will be able to come back to their native land again.
Euronews, Kyiv.